Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to link pages in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your Shopify account, guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the options that you have for editing your store. At the left side of the screen, such as the home section, you have your orders, you can see your products, customers, and so on. So guys, let's say that we want to link multiple pages on our website together to be associated, so this is how to do it. The first thing you have to do is go ahead and click this option right here that says online store and open that up, and this will now open up a couple of new options that you can access, such as blog posts, pages, and so on. So let's go ahead and open up pages. So here is the pages option where we can go ahead and create new pages. I have already created my pages, but if you do not have a page, go ahead and add the page right here using the add page button, and after that we can proceed and open up navigation. After we have our pages, and in the navigation option we want to go ahead and click the main menu option right here. Click on main menu, and now we can go ahead and add new menu item. So we want to click on add menu item and select the page option right here that we have created. I created a new page, click add, and now we have added it right here. So to link it to another page, all you have to do is just go ahead and click on it to drag it and drag it to the right side under any column or page. As you can see, this will now make it a sub page of this page and they will be linked. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.